Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to midweek review on technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Waves idea. Okay, my name is Samuel Okoye-Ochan. The time now is 3:33 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. So this morning, I would have done this morning, but I have no time. Even right now, I have only 20 minutes to do this. So let me start. Because of time, I want to get back to old charts. I've just run it to tell you what next and what's happening. Okay, this is DXY. I have done crypto. For those who trade crypto, you can check my YouTube. You will see the crypto analysis. Something happened in crypto today because after about 1 hour or 30 minutes of my analysis, crypto dropped heavily. So anyway, that's part of the trade. That's why you should learn and get ready for whatever happens in trade. So okay, now I told you last weekend that there are so many trade setups in stock and they are working out as we forecasted. You can see DXY is dropping. So, but yet to get our blue balls, hopefully it will still. But for now, let's keep watching whether it will drop further before going up. I think it can still come to the blue box. This is where we bought. We target here. So we move on. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD is always opposite of DXY. You can see the price kept rising since here we forecasted it will rise to this upper channel. Almost there, almost. If it begins to come down from here, it's normal. But I think you should wait. If you want to sell, let the price close here before you sell. Wait for the close here before you sell. And don't rush and sell because it can still go up. The same with DXY. If you want to buy DXY, don't rush and buy. Wait for a close above this place before you buy. Right? Okay. Euro Jpy. Excuse me. I think the selling is okay to sell. Here you stop loss. Anywhere you can enter here or wait for the close of this place to enter because we want to get a kind of pullback. If you get a pullback from here, a slow pullback better, then the sell will make sense. But here will be your stop loss. In Euro AUD, it's still going up. No sell yet, though the buying is not that sharp. Anyway, it's sharp. It's yet to get our target. So, which means you can take your profit if you bought it, but don't sell yet. Euro New Zealand, they are all going as we forecasted. You know, I told you that there are so many trade setups this week, and they are all going fine. Okay, you can see Euro New Zealand, our target is still far, but the move so far shows that we will have a correction before we buy again. So maybe in 1 hour we might get a pullback before we buy, but I don't see any sell for now on Euro New Zealand. Euro CHF is showing signs of maybe a kind of little pullback. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, this type of candle, when you see it, you want to get a delay before we buy again, right? Euro card is going up, so the buying continues in Euro card. I didn't measure I forgot. Okay, our target is this upper channel. So, and last week I told you once the price goes above this place, you buy. I think, remember, so buying makes sense, and stop loss will be here. If not here, All right, so stop loss either here or here. Then target is this place. Okay, Euro GBP. Euro GBP. This can still happen. It is either that it continues to go up and make a channel. Oh, sorry. It can make a channel from here. I mean a channel, and keep going through with the channel, or it will. Two things we are looking at. One is that it will make a channel and continue going with the channel, or it will drop and give us A, B, C. Then it will go up. So watch out for this. This is not yet ruled out. So that's it until it shows clearly that this level is taken out. USD card. USD card, I think the buying has started. The buying has delayed for so many months. The buying have delayed, but with this, it makes sense to take this risk. It makes sense to take the risk. Stop loss, buy from here. Let me go to 1 hour. So these are signs of move. So to minimize your risk, you can place your stop loss here, but it's riskier than here is better. It depends on your account. If your account is small, you consider, but the price can come back, take this place, but cannot take this place. I mean, it's easier to take out this place than this place. The seller have lingered, but this is an A, B, C. This is an A, B, C. It's a complete structure. Unless the market wants to do a double correction, but I don't see the reason for the double correction for now. So let's move on. Usd Jpy. That is the drop. I'm expecting a buy, but it dropped. It doesn't matter. The drop will not make me to sell. I don't see a reason to sell. I'm still waiting for this to happen. Whenever it happens, it's a buy, and the buying will make us a good money. So if you want to sell, it's up to you. But for me, I don't see reason to sell. Right? Usd Jpy. USD Jpy, in my forecast, I'm of the opinion that the price will come to the blue box before we buy. Will this come to the blue box? Maybe yes, maybe no. But the bottom line is that I think the buying has started. Okay, I think the buying has started. I think buying has started. This move is a sign. Anyway, this is a conservative entry. For conservatives, wait for here to buy. But if you are an aggressive trader, when you see this, you buy from here. When you see this, that's A, B, C. A drop. In fact, a drop. If you get this drop, if I get this drop, I will enter a trade from here and stop loss will be here. I like taking a trade where the stop loss will be minimal. Alright, so if we get this, fine, we buy from here. I buy from here. If you like, you buy like me. If not, I wait for the close above here, because the market can still come up this place and still come down to this blue box. It's possible. I have seen that happen. When you see that, the market have turned, it will just go up and give us another move down. Okay. AUD/USD. It didn't go as we thought it will. So for this reason, I'll be watching on the sideline. But right now, I don't even have time to go deeper to know what is happening. but maybe I think what is happening now is an I think what's happening now is a deeper correction, that is an ABC. Okay, so if I'm correct, you will see the price coming down to this place again, to give us an ABC before the buying continues. The trade is just slow, but is a buying market. I think we are looking at A, B, C. So if it happens, look for buy from here, right? Okay, we go to gold. Gold, I told you that gold is going up. This line, I said, alternatively, we might get we might get a little pullback, but the pullback didn't happen, right? So all is well, and I think gold, this pullback is good for those who are not joined. Just join right now. There's nothing to fear on gold. And if you joined earlier, your stop loss should be shifted somewhere here. All right. So gold is still is going, and in this time around, it will be going back to 2000 and above. I mean to this very, it's going to give us a new high, but I don't know how swift it will be. It might like to come to this place, drop, maybe drop to this area, not necessarily drop and give us a new low, but to drop this area or before going up, or it might just keep going. Okay, that's for gold. Silver, the same thing. On silver, let me go to 4 hours. On silver, just as I told you that we might get a drop from this upper channel, and it happened like that. So let me see 1 hour. 1 hour, the buying have started. It's a good idea to buy silver from here. This very candle is a reversal candle, and this very drop is an advantage for those who are not entered buy. Buying from here makes a lot of sense, according to my own idea. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is going down. In my opinion, I thought it will go up, and I was forecasting this this up move. Rather, it go down, but it's not out of proportion. The only thing that is that this very channel is no longer valid. Channel can validate, but it doesn't mean the trend change. It can be just an ordinary another A, B, C. So you might see something like this, and the market keeps going up. So why am I saying this? That I don't see a reason to sell. That's what I'm saying this. So that the market make a move, I guess your analysis doesn't mean that overall analysis is wrong. In overall, it's still going up, but I don't expect this very deep to happen, but it's happening. Okay, I told you, you don't get it correct all the time, right? So Jpy, last week I told you that we are almost at our target, so there's no, it's too late to buy. What the video, I said it, and right and here now is selling. So join the sellers, know when to enter. It's selling now, so the selling might not be that deep, but for now it's selling, and it will drop to some reasonable pips. USD, I said the same thing, that now is not good time to buy, that we are always at our target, and you can see the dropping has started. So join the sellers, find their selling setup on 1 hour to join sellers, and but I will tell you, here will be an ideal stop loss, will be here, either here or here. So the target will be at least this very line, or lower. Okay. Pound CHF. I don't understand pound CHF these days, so let me just leave pound CHF alone. If pound CHF doesn't come to this blue box, I won't say anything about it again. I don't like the way it is moving. Pounds card. Pounds card, the movement is not impressive as well. Okay, so there was this break. I thought after this break it will push up, but it's still going slow. Anyway, just like pound CHF, if I don't see a move to this blue box, I won't trade it or say much about it. We'll just focus on other pairs until they give us a clear sign of where they are going. Then if they break this line properly, then we might consider selling. But for now, let's wait. Pounds New Zealand is going as we forecasted, that it's going to go up, and it's going up. So if you're not on the buy, you find a way to buy. We are expecting a new high. A new high is what we're expecting. So it's on course and going up. Next is pounds ZAR. Pounds ZAR, given like a wanje in my own language. Okay, so get this drop, you look for buy. If not, you leave it. Pounds AUD is going up, you can see, and I told you that we expect the price to come down to this blue box before going up, or alternatively give us another new low, but this have been overtaken. I don't expect it anymore. What I can expect now is a running flat, that is an A, B, C, running flat, something like this, and continue going up. So I expect only one thing, running flat and nothing more. New Zealand card. It's a account of our blue box, and is reluctant to leave the blue box. What am I expecting to happen here? Nothing is that, but it might cut deeper to the blue box and go up. Nothing but that. Usd Jpy is a broken our channel properly, and you see this line. I don't put it now. It's been there. So I said if you get this break, you sell. So selling has started. Join if you are not joined. Right now I can't tell you where the pay is going, but maybe 76, 75. So a big drop is expected. New Zealand CHF. Dropping. I don't like the structure. Not every pair you will trade. When a pair is behaving like what you don't understand, you leave it alone for now. So let me leave this one alone for now. USD ZAR. USD ZAR, just like USD Jpy ZAR. I look for this drop. It didn't happen. Though it's happening, but not the way I look at it. What I want you to know is that ZAR pays will make a surprise anytime. So what am I saying? All this sluggish movement is a sign of that one day you will see the price begin to move very sharp. So this very, let me go to 4 hours. This very candle I put here, this thing gonna happen. You will see a strong move. Maybe in 3-4 days, we will see USD ZAR to 15, 16, 17. It will happen. But when, I don't know. The same with the GBP ZAR. You will see it go to 20 anytime in a swift manner. Okay. So right now, US 30, US 100. I didn't label it, but I have run out of time. So let me just conclude. By weekend, I touch more pays. S&P 500. You see, I saw this. It will happen. It will happen. I don't know if it will go deep or not. But for now, it's been going sluggishly. I would like to see a deeper move, even a break of this channel for now. So I have got to conclude. Now let me tell you a short story. This Bitcoin What happened to Bitcoin today? I forecasted it. Now, why I advise people to learn. It's better to spend your money to learn than to lose money in trade. There are some traders who are new, inexperienced, yet if you tell them to pay as little as $500 to learn, something that will sustain you all your life, you say it's too much. Now, somebody told me that he bought Bitcoin when the price was 64,000. Could you imagine? 64,000, which means he bought at the very top. That is ignorance. Now, the Bitcoin is 30,000, 35, 36. How much did the person lose, and how much would he have paid to learn? Anyway, make your choice, either to spend the money and learn, or lose the money in trade. Thank you.